This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Whirlpool top-loading washing machine. This is a Series 80 and it's full of water and it won't spin. So if we set it for spin, we pull back, we have no noise. So that usually means that this thing back here, the lid switch, is malfunctioning, but it's pretty easy to fix. Unplug it, take out a couple of Phillips head screws right here. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver, a couple of zip ties, something to cut the zip ties, and just probably take you 5 minutes. So again, make sure it's unplugged. Get that last screw out. You can use a regular Phillips head screwdriver too. We're going to push down on this part, the tub, and grab the lid switch. It's this thing. Pull it toward us. And usually what happens is this case the glue kind of breaks, this case falls apart. So if you have one of these metal things, just wiggle it off. You don't really need it. See, that's connected right there. Get that out of the way, and then just put a zip tie around it. And get it as tight as you can. What that does is it just holds those two halves together, and then the switch can work. So if the switch does a clicking sound, then you know that the switch is back to normal. I'm just going to cut off that little extra piece and put this back into position so these holes line up here. I'll add those screws. And give it a test. Make sure it's going to work. Probably the only tricky part is just to see where those are at. Add the screw back in. That one. Okay, we'll tighten that up. Careful not to over tighten these. Some of these have like a clutch, so you don't over tighten them. Alright, this pin's going to come down there. Get a nice clicking sound. Plug it in. Okay, let's go to spin. If you ever want to just see what it's doing, you can push this thing with the door open, or lid open. We can see it's draining and it's starting to pick up speed for the spin. And when it gets going fast enough, it'll use the centrifugal force to throw all that water out of the clothes, and then it'll just drain it off. When the model number is 110.23832.100. So it looks pretty good. It's picking up good speed. If you ever have one where it doesn't spin really fast, it could be a thing called the clutch that's worn out. Or if it doesn't spin at all, but you hear a clicking sound, that's a motor coupler. In our case, we didn't get any sound, and that was due to the lid switch being broken. Looks good. So just took you maybe 4 or 5 minutes and you're done. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.